What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my vlog. Well, for you, for the reader, for the people watching the video, for my lecture, for my friend watching video too. So today we talking about the testing student. Okay. So everyone in the world know if the tests are important for them. So how can you have a license, driving license, if you don't have a test? So how you can have a card or something important if you don't have test? How the university can accept you well if you don't have without your test? So basically, tests are important to every student in the world, especially for the teacher itself. For the teacher itself, maybe test is for them for know what are the advantage and disadvantage of the student. So what are the characteristic of student, what are the sympathetic or something like in from the test. So I will tell you what are the type of tests. Okay, so there is many of them are tests. The first is placement test, second is diagnostic test, which mean so you there is a like analysis the student or something else, and the third is progress of achievement test, which the teacher will see your progress. For example, if you have you done your work well, have you doing something well or something else. So the last is aptitude test, which mean if you have a good skill or something, that test will help you so much. So what are the characteristics of good of test? So the test should have the validity, reliability, and have objectivity of student. Why is it important? Why is characteristic is important and good for the test? Because when you have a test, the teacher will show what is your skill, what is your aptitude. So, example, when you go into class, when you sit down, and when you do some test, the teacher will know where is your mistake, what is your characteristic, which the teacher will help you so much. Like, oh, this one have a disadvantage about he don't know English well, or he don't know what is mathematics, or he don't know what is the psychology or something else. So the last one is what should the teacher do in the preparing test. So this is happen in many people in around the world, exactly for the teacher and the student itself. When the teacher want to prepare the test, example the middle test, the end of the some the test, the teacher should give the best the material for the student. For example, in English, what is in English material do? Want the teacher do speaking, listening, or writing, or reading? So do the mathematics. So do the mathematics. So do the science. So do accountant. So do the politics and something else. And the second one is the teacher should give the good exercise for the student, exactly in the sport. Of course, if the sport it's just about the material, is you need from the practice. For example, is how you can shoot the ball on there or something, because there is something is need some practice for the student. And the last one, the teacher should give the best like motivation, like example the people will for example, yeah, I give you example Nick Vujicic, which he don't have a legs, if he don't have a hand, so and another, so to make the student have motivate to study hard, to always practice and something else. Okay, so that's it, that's the type of the test. So I want to say, if you want to, for the teacher itself, if you want to make the student have a good mark, a best skill, to have the reach maximum, to reach their dream, the teacher should give the best material, best suggestion, best way to make the student well, to make the student can speak well, can reading or something else. So okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoy this video. So if you like this, but like, please thumbs up, and if you don't like, so I'm sorry, and don't forget to subscribe, and I see you next video. Cheers.